What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have something amazing on the menu. We are making cilantro lime salmon bites, and these are simply amazing. Words cannot even do it justice. So easy to make. And you know I'm about to show you how it's done. So let's not waste any more time and get right on into it. So let's get started. All right, so we are gonna begin with a beautiful salmon fillet. This is about 1.5 pounds of salmon, and all I'm doing here is just slicing them into bite-sized pieces. This is probably a little bit more than bite-sized, but you get the idea here. Once you have them all sliced up, this is how you should be looking. I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of oil onto the salmon, and I'm gonna get my masseuse hat on and give it a nice luxurious massage, as we always do on this channel. This is the seasoning blend that we will be working with. It will be listed in the description box as well for you to reference to. And I'm just gonna go ham, go crazy. I'm gonna be deliberate and generous with this seasoning right here. You know the motto on this channel. I ain't even gotta say it, okay? So go ahead and season your salmon up, flip it over, season the other side, give it a mix, and make sure it's well coated up. In the meanwhile, I have my pan to the side at about a medium heat, ready to go. I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of oil into the pan, and we're gonna toss our salmon right on in. And we're gonna cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes per side until they're nice and golden brown. And once you have that first side looking oh so beautiful, you want to go ahead and give it a flip and cook the other side for that same amount of time. Once we have that taken care of and both sides of our salmon are looking gorgeous, you want to go ahead and remove them from the pan as we move on to the next step, which is getting that delicious yummy sauce together. And let me know in the comments below, have you seen my honey butter garlic glazed salmon bites recipe? You guys have been going crazy with the engagement on that video. You guys are loving it. Definitely one of my favorites. If you haven't already, make sure to check that one out, because it is good. Very, very good. So like I said, we have our salmon coming out of the pan, and into the pan we are gonna toss in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, as well as some minced garlic. And like I said, everything's listed on the screen, and it will be listed in the description box as well, just like always, baby. So go ahead and like I said, get that minced garlic in there along with the butter. You want to let that melt down a little bit, get that wonderful aroma in the air. And we're gonna toss in our sriracha sauce. Get that in the pan, baby. And we're gonna toss in that honey. Oof, I love me some honey. You can't go wrong with some honey, all right? Get that in there as well. And we can't forget the lime juice. I'm using about half a lime as far as squeezing that in. Get that into the pan as well. And we're gonna finish it off in a second here with some freshly chopped cilantro. Once you have everything in the pan, you want to go ahead and give it a mix. You want to let it simmer for a little bit. Then we're gonna reintroduce our beautiful salmon bites to this delicious sauce right here. Okay, we're gonna reintroduce our salmon bites in a second, and once we have our salmon bites in there, we gotta baste these bad boys. We gotta get it covered in that delicious sauce. You hear me? So in a second here, that salmon will be going back in, and once you have it in there, don't forget to grab yourself a spoon so you can get that yummy sauce coating all over your salmon. And for sure, this was one of my favorites to make. Something is special about salmon bites. I'm letting you know right now, something is special about salmon bites. I absolutely love them. The kids love them. The whole family loves salmon bites, and I make it quite often. And this one right here. This one is special. Okay, so like I said, grab your spoon, baste it, get it well coated up in that delicious sauce. And in a second here, I'm gonna give this a try and let you know what I think. Okay, man, does this look good or does this look good? Wow, wow, and wow. All right, so you know we got to give these bad boys a try. They are smelling amazing, looking delicious. Man, I'm just about to dig in. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow, bro. This is so freaking good. Excuse me for talking with food in my mouth. It's just, this brings so much excitement to my life right now, man. I'm letting you know, this is simply amazing. Oh my. Every single component of this dish is just coming at you, and it's so many different angles. The sweet, the little spice, the acidity from the lime, the wonderful taste of the cilantro. Everything is coming at you, you know what I'm saying? And it's just well balanced and just so delicious. Wow. You guys gotta make this. Oh my. You guys gotta make this. You gotta make this. You gotta make this. It is a banger. 10 out of 10. Must make again. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that like button to let YouTube know you're loving the content. Subscribe if you're new. Rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. You don't want to miss an upload. Gotta rock that notification bell. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about today's video, and I'll see you all on the next one. Deuces. I'm out.